Anthropology is a discipline about how to be human in different ways. Tim Ingold, an outstanding British anthropologist, wrote once that to human is a verb, which actually means that to be human we have to do. We are doing and we are humans, we are humaning. And any culture, any place in the world, any time, people human differently. So this is what anthropology is about humaning, about being human. And that's why it's an important part of my identity.
I teach at School of Form all of the stuff what we can do with porcelain. So I teach them also how to think about the product and also how to make the product, what is very, very important, especially with porcelain when the process is very, very long. First time I was in the factory at 2013 and it's completely madness for me. A lot of people working there, they have a lot of experience how to make, how to listen the porcelain, how to speak with the materials, and also how to develop the idea to the object. And for me, it's completely different story than in small studio. So I observed all of the people, how they hold the tools, how they listen the plaster wheel, how they glazing stuff and what they do with the object inside the glaze. So I observe the workers, how they make the stuff. So because I don't have time to make my own project, because I have a lot of students, I make a lot of pictures of the workers, and I want to make a picture not only about the person but also all of the experience what they have. And after this I share my feelings with Ewa Klekot, and we start to develop the idea and feelings about the factory to people from the porcelain project.
I was curious how to human in a factory and how to human in a porcelain factory, in that particular porcelain factory. Because a porcelain factory is a place where humans, machines, materials, they work together and humans are part of that world. One of my conclusions would be that to human in a porcelain factory is actually to collaborate with matter, with machines, with other humans, with humidity of air, with movements. It's about collaboration in order to accomplish tasks that are part of this huge enterprise, which is a porcelain production.
I want that the project will be homage to the people, the workers. I make the different process of making stuff. So I ask all of the people who working on the lines to put the gloves on the hands, and we put the gloves to the salt of cobalt, and after that they work with this. They leave the marks on the set of the products. All the travels to the factory resulted in the project people from the porcelain factory, and it started traveling over Europe and pay homage to the workers' skills.